In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subpage on Google Sites. If you're organizing content on your website and want to keep related pages grouped together, adding a subpage is a simple and useful feature in Google Sites. A subpage appears underneath a main page, which helps create a cleaner navigation structure and makes your site easier for visitors to browse. To get started, open your Google site and make sure you're in editing mode. This is important because you'll need access to the site's editing tools in order to manage the page structure. Once you're inside the site editor, look over to the right-hand side of the screen where the main editing panel appears. From there, click on Pages. This section shows all of the pages currently included in your site. Think of it as the place where you manage your site's navigation and page hierarchy. If you already have a main page that you want your new subpage to sit under, you'll use that page as the parent page. Next, move your cursor over the page you want to add the subpage under. When you hover over that page, you should see a three-dot menu appear beside it. Click those three dots to open the page options. This menu contains several actions related to that page, including the option you need for creating a subpage. In the drop-down menu, click on Add Subpage. This tells Google Sites that the new page you're about to create should be nested under the page you selected, rather than appearing as a separate top-level page. This is especially helpful when you want to group related information together, like services under a main services page or lessons under a course page. After that, enter the name of your subpage. Choose a title that clearly describes what the page is about, since this name will usually appear in your site navigation. Keeping page names short and clear can make your site easier to read and more professional looking. Once you've entered the subpage name, click Done. Google Sites will create the new subpage and place it underneath the main page you selected. You should now be able to see it nested in the Pages panel, confirming that it has been added as a subpage instead of a regular page. And that's it. You've successfully added a subpage on Google Sites. If needed, you can always come back to the Pages section later to reorganize your site structure and keep everything neat and easy to navigate.